Hello, my name's Craig Barton and welcome to a short video about adding schools, teachers and students on diagnostic questions. So now that you've joined diagnosticquestions.com, the next thing you'll want to do, hopefully, is to create your school, add some teachers and add some students. So let's look at how we can do that. If you go to the school menu and start on school, if your school hasn't already been created, you'll need to create it yourself. But first, it's a good idea to check. So if you click on Find a School, you can just do a little search to see if it's been created. If I look for my school, Thornley, I'll see it's already there. And if that was the case, I could simply join it. If it's not already been created, then you must create it yourself. Just simply put the name in and the address, and you are good to go. Once you've created your school, you'll next need to populate it with some teachers. So if you click on teachers, if you've already joined your school, they'll already be registered. If not, you can invite them, and that will, if you click on invite here, you'll give the opportunity to copy that and send them an email, and that will get them straight into your school. Alternatively, they can sign up to the website themselves and just join your school, and then you, as the creator of your school, will get to decide whether you let them in or not. And then once you've got a school and some teachers, the next thing that we're going to need to complete the party are some students. The easiest way to import your students, I've found, is to do it via an Excel spreadsheet. So if we click on import, you can download this student template, and it just looks a little bit like this. Now, the only thing you actually need to fill out are the first names and the surnames, but you'll probably find it most useful to also put the class code in there as well. Otherwise, you'll have to do that manually later on. You don't need to worry about email or gender or username or password. The website can generate those for you itself. If, however, you want your students to have the same username perhaps as they use for MyMaths or for their email logins or something like that, then you can do this on this spreadsheet as well. Once you've got it and you've got it saved, we need to import it. So I'll just show you how this works here. So I've got to find it. Now, what did I call it? Fake students. There we go. So we'll click that. And we're going to click preview, and sometimes this takes a couple of minutes depending on how many you've got. This tells me that I've got 3 classes that I've created, and it just gives me a little taster of the usernames and the passwords that those students will get. Then whenever I'm happy, I simply click import, and it will give me a little countdown and tell me how my import process is going, and then that is all you need to do there with that. I'll also just show you quickly how you can access your students' usernames and passwords and all that kind of stuff once you've created them. If I go to school and I go to classes, you'll get access to all the different classes for your students. I'll need to find the ones that I've just created. I think, fingers crossed, they'll be sat at the very back of this. Let me just have a look here. So these are all the classes for our different schools. And there they go. So that's fake class 10, fake class 10A, 10B and so on. If I click within that, then I get all the names of the students that are in there with their full name and their password. I can simply project that up on the board if I want, and the students can see it. Or this is quite a handy little tool here. If I click this, it downloads a set of student logins, and you can give them to your students, print it out, and there they've got their username and password, and they can then access the website either via their computer, their mobile or their tablet or whatever they want. So once you've done all that, the next thing you'll be wanting to do is set some quizzes for your classes and get them up and running on the site. To learn how to do that, just simply keep watching the videos in this series. You can access them via the blog or go to Learn How To videos. I'll be back with a fresh video. Take care and bye for now.